Hey everybody, it's Jason. We just wrapped up a 3D design for a backyard in Westchester, Pennsylvania, and I can't wait to show it to you. I just love how this design starts at the end of the driveway, works its way down the side yard and around to the back. But when you come down off the driveway, we got these really cool natural stone boulders. Just as you start down the steps though, off to the left side, we just put in this really cool round patio with a pergola that's on a radius that is just going to add some element and some interest. We're able to grow a vine up across that, and just imagine sitting there having your morning coffee, look out towards the back, and just enjoy the view. We're often asked, hey, I'm on a slope. What are we going to do about that? So when you're working on hills and slopes, you're able to create the depth perception and the visual features that go on is just so much different than what happens when you're working with a flat backyard, right? So you're able to just do so much more. And that is why we love designing the slope. The only downside that I can really see to working on hills and slopes is that it costs more. Whenever you get into all your different retaining walls and everything, that's where the cost will come up. And I guess if I had to add one more thing about working on hills and slopes, sometimes access can be a little bit tougher. After you do that patio, you work your way down towards the main patio. Yeah, there's a basement door down there, but if you turn left, we got this really neat natural stone fireplace. It's just gonna create a ton of interest and wanna bring you down off the deck. It's definitely gonna be inviting, and you're just gonna wanna go outside, light a fire, and that's what it's all about. We just cannot wait to get people to enjoy the outdoors. When you get outside though, there's gonna be one really awesome feature. And that awesome feature is the sound of water. The visual is fantastic, but the sound will also draw you outside. You take water and fire, you can't go wrong. So we got these really neat aquascape fountains, and we're gonna put 3 of them in. The water is gonna be coming down so that when you're up on the deck and you're inside, you're gonna have some views looking out, and it's gonna be these really neat urns. However, when you're down on that lower patio, turn around looking back, we got just some really cool waterfalls coming down, and it just creates extra interest and makes you want to walk around. I really like it when you can't see every aspect from one area, right? So when you're up on the deck, you're not necessarily going to be able to see those lower waterfalls. It's going to make you want to come down and walk around. Many of the projects that we do, we find that a lot of clients really enjoy the space even more at night than they do during the day. When it's dark and the water's running and splashing and you get to see some different things, definitely a different experience than what you get during the day. So this is a design that we just wrapped up. I gotta tell you, I'm a little bummed. We're actually not gonna be building this project. It was for another contractor that was going to put this together that reached out and said, hey, do you mind putting together a design for us? And I said, we can absolutely do that. But the design came out so awesome that I just wanted to show it to you. Love your thoughts. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments below. Please remember to like and subscribe. And until next time, keep building your outdoor dreams.